Wireless is better, but wired is much better. So with that saying, today we're going to unbox a adapter from UGreen. So the reason for buying this is, like, if you see in recent scenarios, many of the laptops which is coming is not having any LAN port at all. If you see any of the MacBooks also, from the very beginning they don't have any LAN port in the laptops or MacBooks. So if you're having a stable internet near to Wi-Fi without any dead spot, then that is way to go. But in many of the cases, you will not get the recommended internet. To overcome the situations, I need to brought this. So in market we have many adapters, but this one is having one advantage, that is 1000 megabytes per second. So that's a big advantage, and it's coming with a premium quality with a guaranteed. In the box it's saying that fast and stable data connection, and it is having the premium aluminum alloy shell, so which will avoid any kind of heat or something. And yeah, the voltage recommendations here are 5 volts with 0.9 ampere to the max. Compatible systems, you can see Mac OS is there, Windows, Linux, Android, iOS. So anything, any device you can make it work. So it's also driver free, especially for Windows 8, 10, 11, Mac OS systems. So for XP and older versions, we may require some driver installation. That's what they're telling. And it's also having a intensive LED indicator. So I think this is the one they're talking about. Let's unbox this. So pricing, you can see it's coming around 1990. Manufacturing is August. Obviously country of origin is China. Manufacturing in Hong Kong. Let's quickly unbox this. So I bought this in Amazon for a better price. So even though there is another competitors for this, like I think with TP-Link, D-Link, I don't know. So they are also giving similar approach, but the limitation with that is only 100 Mbps is the speed limit, but this one is coming with 1000 Mbps. We're getting some, yeah, it means some recycling work is going on, okay, and some user instructions. So warranty, you can see here it is written as 2 years warranty. Nothing much. So this is the one. It comes with a type C and then the gigabyte adapter, but you'll have a, even USB also will get it. And the usage, how it was, that anyone can see it, right? Yeah. Coming to the product itself. This is the one. USB to gigabyte Ethernet adapter is what the precise name for this. I can see some strong cable here. There is also cap for the lightning cable, or you can see type C. We'll quickly see, this we'll try to connect with our iPad, and we'll do some test here. Stay tuned. So this is my iPad. Let's do some speed test with Wi-Fi here. So even with Wi-Fi it's good. Minus 100 Mbps speed, and it's giving me a good amount of upload, and I think download is also good. Now we'll see to connect this. So this is my LAN cable. I can see some lights. We'll test it again. You can see the difference now, right? Previously it was just 100 something. Now it's fixing its limitations. I have also turned off my Wi-Fi. So like I said, wireless is good, but wired is much better. Thanks for watching this. For more such videos, please continue to follow us. Any queries, please comment. Like the video if you see this as informative. Share with others. Thanks for time.